Hey everyone, Elias here. The Queens real estate market has seen some interesting shifts in the first half of 2024. So whether you're looking to buy or sell, knowing the latest trends is crucial. Stay tuned because we're about to break it all down for you.
And I'm Alejandra with Empire Fine Homes, who are you to-go experts for all things real estate related here in Queens. Let's dive right into the numbers and what they mean for you.
So in the first half of 2024, we saw a slight decrease in the number of closed properties. There were 2,169 properties that were sold, compared to 2,181 properties during the same period last year, making a 6% decrease.
However, the median sales price has risen. The median price for closed properties was $895,000, a 3.1% increase from last year of $868,000. This indicates a strong demand despite the slight drop in transactions.
So on average, homes spend 80 days on the market. The least expensive home sold for $120,000 in Far Rockaway, while the most expensive one went for $3,850,000 in Malba.
And last month, 2,687 properties went into contract, showing a 6.6% year-over-year increase. Currently, there are 2,191 properties on the market with a median list price of $1,099,000.
The absorption rate is 4.7%, indicating it will take almost 5 months to sell in the current inventory if no new properties come on the market. This suggests a balanced market leaning slightly toward the buyer's market.
Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on the Queens real estate market so you don't miss out.
And as you can see, while the numbers of sales have slightly decreased, prices are on the rise and the market remains robust. Whether you're buying or selling, staying informed is key.
And that is why we are here. We are the knowledge brokers dedicated to providing you insights you need to make the best decisions in the Queens real estate market. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.